Position your cardstock with the 8.5 by 11 paper long side up. Place your paper in the cutter at the 4 1/4 inch mark and cut the paper. Turn your paper one turn and you will score that paper at 5 1/2 inches. And I like to score a couple times. Take it out of your cutter, and then I like to use a bone folder to have a nice crease on the card, and there's your top A2 folding card. Thank you for stopping by. If you want more projects, check out my other videos. Have a great day.